Hello, my darlings, and welcome to a series that I call Bed, Bath, and Broomsticks, where I craft magical recipes for your bath and home. In this video, I'm making a lilac and rose room spray to fill your home with the energy of spring and summer and the heart-opening scents of these two flowers. Let's do some magical crafting. This short video was inspired by this bouquet my sister-in-law brought me, made up of blooms from her garden. I'm using the lilacs and roses from this bouquet. The rose has been revered throughout history as one of the most powerful magical flowers, representing perfect love and balance. Different colored roses carry unique energies. Red for passionate love, white for purity and spiritual connection, pink for gentle affection, and yellow for friendship and joy. Roses connect directly with the heart chakra, making them powerful tools for emotional healing work. The thorns of the rose remind us that beauty often requires protection and that love sometimes comes with pain, teaching us to embrace all aspects of our experiences. The blooming of lilacs occurs during a brief period in spring, typically between Beltane and Litha, May through June. Like other spring plants such as honeysuckle and dandelions, lilac possesses energizing qualities that can help kickstart your life. Use them to invigorate your motivation or to engage in a mental or physical spring cleaning. When you work with lilac in spring, you harness its natural seasonal energy of rebirth and renewal. The brief blooming period of lilacs reminds us to appreciate the beauty in the present moment and honor the cyclical nature of all things. I've created a Book of Shadows page for this room spray, and if you'd like to download a printable PDF of this page, I will put a link below. After adding the blooms into a spray bottle, I add witch hazel to about 1/3 of the bottle. Witch hazel is added to DIY room sprays to help the scent last longer and to better blend the essential oils with the water. It acts as a carrier and an emulsifier, helping the oils disperse evenly and preventing them from separating or floating on the top of the water. I fill up the rest of the bottle with some moon water I collected on a full moon. Distilled water is also a good choice. I'll let this room spray infuse for about 2 days so that the scent has time to become stronger before using it. And the spray will last for about a week or two before the blooms begin to break down and need to be disposed of in the green waste or compost. This lilac room spray has several magical applications that you might find useful in your practice. Spritz it in your living space to attract love and open your heart to new connections. Or use it before meditation or spiritual work to elevate your vibrations and connect with higher realms. I find it particularly effective for cleansing a space after arguments or negative interactions. as the rose energy soothes emotional wounds, while the lilac brings renewal and fresh perspectives. You can also spray it on your altar when working with deities associated with love, beauty, or springtime energies. May the delicate fragrance of these blooms bring sweetness to your days and healing to your heart.